Good. I'm new to this app. This is my first video, so I just kind of wanted to explain to you who I am and what I'm about. By the way, how awesome is this app? I gotta give it up to Arthur and what he's created here at FUD. It's nothing but pure value. It's unlike any other social media app. If you don't know me, I'm Scotty Ross. I post mainly on TikTok right now, but I'm about to be posting a lot more on here. I am the Uber dude who's helping Uber drivers. I was recently featured on Dr. Phil.
So I quit my job to do freelance video, and now I'm only doing things I want to do.
I was featured on the Today Show when I helped lead the strike against Uber. We are going to strike on February 14th. Yes, Valentine's Day, but we are not showing any love for Uber that day. And I love Uber. I'm wearing the shirt right now, but I am no way paid by them or affiliated with them. So I actually led a strike, the Valentine's Day strike, against Uber for fair wages, which that's a whole other thing is, we're not getting paid fairly enough. So getting tips is extremely important nowadays. And that's a huge part of what I'm going to be sharing with you is how to make more tips as an Uber driver. So on TikTok, I have a following on there, but the only ones that explode and get viral are the dash cam videos with girls and stuff. And I mean, that's value in a way of entertainment, but I want to share more value in the way of tips on how to be a better side hustler, how to be a better Uber driver. I do a lot more than drive Uber. I do digital marketing and video editing that I don't even talk about on my TikTok. So I'll be talking about that here. Basically, any way that I could help you in the world of freelancing and side hustling, that's how I'm going to help you. So especially if you're a rideshare driver or a gig worker, or if you're just interested in being your own boss, that's what I could provide value with on here. For the sake of having every video have value in it, I'm going to give you one of my best tips right here. If you stayed and watched this long, you're rewarded with a nice tip on how to make more tips if you're an Uber driver. And this is for when you start getting into conversations with your passenger. You want to have a prepared line of why you are driving Uber, and not just I'm doing this to make some extra money, because that's why every Uber driver is doing this, right? But beyond that, why do you want to make some extra money? If they ever ask something like, do you like driving Uber? How long have you been driving Uber? Anything related to them asking a question about Uber, find a way to mention, I love driving Uber. I'm making some extra money. I'm trying to save up for my dream vacation at Turks and Caicos at the end of summer, so that's why I'm doing this. So, have a real reason why. And a general rule in life is don't lie about anything. Make sure it's true. If this is true, say, I'm saving up to help my mom with her knee surgery, just to help her with the cost of that. Or my wife is pregnant and, I have a job, but I'm doing this on the weekends for some extra money. But make sure it's true, and make sure you just give the reason why you want extra money. And when people know exactly what their tip money is going towards, they're more likely to give it to you. All right, well, that's who I am. And hopefully you give me a follow here on FUD. I look forward to putting out consistent videos. And if you are a content creator as well, and you follow me, I'll follow you back. I'm always interested in learning and growing myself, so I'll be sure to follow you as well.